Hey guys, Bing here. Recently, when I tried to do some research for my assignment, I saw this article. I think it's quite interesting. It's about some material. So it's like tin, timber or wood material. So it's like tile. When during different condition, it will change shape. So it can be closed, and then when it's dry condition, it can open up. So actually I modeled this panel in Revit, something like this one. So actually let me try. So I think I built a parameter. Yeah, so I built a parameter here, and if I change this, so for example, change this to a huge number, and it will close this panel. So maybe I'll turn on the edge. Yeah, so these are the panel which, oops. So when it's closed, and then if I change the parameter, I can open them up. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so now let's do this. Okay, so I'll close this. So first, we're going to create a curtain panel pattern-based family. Okay, so and then select this tile pattern grids and change it to how to pronounce this, rhomboid. Okay, so now actually I'm not sure which point is the top one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top one, front. It says front here. Let me guess. This is the top. Okay, so 2 is the top. 3, 4, 1. Okay, so now let's start. Let me think. How do I model this? So it's going to be so first we need one point from this. Okay, this point. So one point, and draw a work plane. Set work plane. Pick the horizontal work plane of adaptive point 2. Where's the number 2? Where's the number 2? Yep, here. So pick the horizontal work plane of this point and place it on point 2, and then select this point and drag it up. Okay, so now I'm going to create this panel. Will be created from, it will be a curve, and this will be the center point of this curve. Okay, so first I'm going to create a offset. So this one, so this point, see this point, that's the offset. That's the distance from this point, the point adaptive point 2 to this point. So I'm going to create it. I call it radius. Okay, radius. Instant note, maybe type, maybe instance. Okay, and okay. So now now we are going to create or actually I think we're going to create a circle from this point. Okay, so reference circle, and draw a work plane, set work plane. So make sure you pick this work plane, so it's this one. Okay, so this direction. So Yep, that's it. And then draw a circle. Okay, so and click on this little thing, and this will be the radius of this circle, and I'll just link this to a radius we just create. So that's offset from here to here. So if I link this one, so you will see this circle will go through this point. Okay, so if I move this point up, and you will see the circle will always go through the point 2, adaptive point 2. So now I'm going to create place a point on this circle. Okay, so point, this time draw on face and place it on this circle. Place it here. And okay, so now select this point, and here measurement type, change it to segment length, and let me just type in 0. Okay, so it looks like 0, it starts from here, but ideally I want this to start from this point. So what I'm going to do is I'll see if I can rotate this circle. Okay, I'll rotate this by 90 degrees. Looks like no, it doesn't work this way. It's okay. Let me think. How do we rotate this? How do we rotate the starting point of this? Maybe we need some point. We need some point to rotate, which can rotate this direction. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'll just delete this circle for now. Delete this point. So I'll create a point from this point. Okay, so place one point, draw on work plane, set work plane, and pick this work plane, so this one's okay, and place it on this point, and okay, and then I'll just rotate it. I'll just offset this point just by a little distance, and then I'll create a spline and a reference line. Now I'm going to place another point, draw on face, and place it on this reference line. So now this point will have a rotation angle. So here it's 0 degree. So now I can draw a circle on this point, and then this circle will we can rotate this circle. Okay, so use this rotation angle. So let's do it. So reference circle, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick this work plane of this point, and draw a circle and radius, and link this radius. So of course it's now offset from this point. We just need to select this point and change it to 0. So okay, so now we'll go through this point, and then we are going to I'll just leave it for now. I'll just place another point, draw on face, place it on here, and select this point, change this to segment length. This time change it to 0 to see. Oh, actually, see, it's exactly sitting at the bottom of the circle, which is what we want it to be. Okay, so good. So the next step, we're going to place another point here. Okay, so point, draw on space, and place it here. So this one, we're going to change it to segment length again, and so this number, we're going to create a parameter. So this will be the panel. So the panel so imagine the panel when it's dry, it's flat. So it will look like this. Okay, and this will be the length from point 2 to point 4. So I'll call it L, length, L instance. Okay and okay. So now we know this, the length of this arc is L. And then we're going to create a reporting parameter from the distance from point 2 to point 4. And then I'll match the length of this arc to the reporting parameter. So before that, I'm going to create a spline through the point 2 and 4 and make it reference. Then set a work plane, pick this work plane of this reference line and the DI. Make sure you pick the point. It's a little bit hard to pick all. So I'm going to just select these 2 points and HI isolate, and then I'll do a dimension DI. So make sure, so pick this point and see this point. So now select this dimension and I'll create a reporting parameter. I'll call it L reporting, okay, RP instance reporting, and okay. So HR, and then go to family types. So I'll just I'll just make this L equal L reporting. So I'll type in L equals LRP. Apply. Okay, so it looks like when we do the dimension, so we place the dimension on the work plane instead of on the point. So we just need to do it again. So I'll just select these 2 points and together with the dimension HI. Oops. So it looks like because the dimensions is placed onto something and not on the point, so that's why it disappears. So I just going to click on this dimension, right, and see this point, drag this point, and then try to find the point. Use tab key. See the point become bigger. So that's it. So now let's do it again. So now this dimension should be placed onto I'll try to select these 2 points and the dimension and type HI. See, so this time the dimension is still there, which means that this dimension is being placed onto these 2 points. Okay, so HR. Now go to family types. And now we can do equals LRP, no problem. And okay. So now, if you should notice that this point go up a little bit. So if I change this size of this grid, so let's try to not this one, this one. Can you see? Can you tell? Can't tell. Hang on. Something's not right. It's still 6 meter wide. Oh, sorry about that. So click this one. See, this one's not. When we change this change the dimension from to different element, it will remove this parameter. So I'll just link this dimension back to the reporting. Okay, so now you can see this point come down because we changed the size of the grid. So let's try again. Okay, so not here. So click on this grid, and if I change this to 3 meter, you should see this point go up. Okay, so now we have this point. We have this point 2. Actually, there is another one, I think. So if I temporarily hide this point 2, that's another one. So that's at 0. That's a point 0. So we are going to use this point and this point and actually we will have another point in the middle. Okay, so we're going to create another point in the middle. Okay, so and one point, draw on surface and place it here, and this time select this point, change this to segment length and create a new parameter. I'll call it half L, maybe LH, half LH, instance OK and OK. So now go to family types, LH equals L divided by 2. So this point will always in the middle of this arc. Okay, so now I'm going to create an arc, a reference line arc, and I'm going to use start and radius arc and use 3D snapping and make sure it's draw on face. Okay, so place it on, so first this point and start and radius. Okay, so start and here and radius here. So now let's have a test. We just need to make sure this arc will always match this circle. Okay, so let's try. I'll change this grid 3 2, maybe apply. See, still there. Good. So that's exactly what we need. So okay, so now what we're going to do is we need to create a sweep. Okay, our temporary height, I'll just move this away so we can see this point. So this sweep will be a curved shape of the base, this diamond shape. Okay, so I'm going to place a point, draw on face. Oh no, not draw on face, draw on work plane. Set work plane, place it on the vertical work plane. So use tab, that's it, and place it on this point, the middle point, and OK, and then trying to pick this point. So tab and drag it this way. So we are going, and then we will need another one. So on the other side, tab, place it and place it to here. Okay, and the tab, select and go that way. And of course we are going to we will need another reporting parameter. I'll just select these 2 points, 3 and 1, and spline reference line. Okay, so set work plane and pick the work plane of this reference line, DI. Make sure you pick the point, and this one make sure you pick the point. And okay, so now create a reporting parameter. I'll call it with reporting RP, instance reporting OK. So now this point, so will be so we just need to create an offset. This time I'll call it width half, instance OK and OK, and go to family types. So width half will equals width divided by 2. Oh, sorry, width reporting divided by 2. Apply. So now you will see this point will match the point 3, and same this one, because this one's negative, so we're going to create a new one. So I'll call it width h negative, instance OK. Go here, with h negative equals negative with h. Apply. OK. So now we have, so select these 2 points, line, reference line. So now we have this we're going to create a face. So this line will be the profile. Okay. So let me try. Let me try if I can use a point as a profile. Okay. So 1 point, 2 point, and also this this curve, this arc as the path. Nope, we can't. So which means we need a very little line here. Okay, so let's zoom in. TL and 1 point, draw work plan, set work plan, and pick the vertical work plan and place it point. Okay, and drag it. I only need it to be very tiny. I'm going to make it 1 or maybe 10. Okay, don't 10 should be enough. So spline, reference line. Okay, so maybe I'll just make it smaller. So 2. So now select this. Make sure tab. So see if you just move your cursor on it, you will also select this arc. Okay, so make sure tab, and then select this this line. This will be the profile of this end, and then control select this one. This one will be the profile of this end, and also this path. Okay, this is path. So create form. Unable. So that's okay. What we are going to do is we're going to place another point on this side. Okay, so point, draw work plan, set work plan, tab, place, and okay. So this time, select this point, go that way, make it -2. So now I'm going to just select this line and dissolve it. And then I'll select these 2 points and create spline and reference line. So let's do it again. So this profile and this profile and this path create form. So this time we successfully create this shape. Okay. So now let's repeat. So on this end, I'm going to, I'll just place on this point. Okay, so point, draw a work plan, set work plan, and pick the vertical work plan and place it here. Okay, and drag it this way and place another one. Draw a work plan, set work plan, tab, and place it there. And okay, and move this point that way. So select these 2 points and spline reference line, and then I'll just select this point. I'm typing -2, -2, and this point 2. So I'll zoom in and place this. Select this profile, this line as profile, and also tab, select this one as profile and also this path and create form. So now we have this shape. So this shape is a curved form of this shape. So if for example if I change the radius of this, so let's see if I change this radius to a quite big number. Okay, apply. So it's almost flat to match the base. And if it's 2 meter, just curve up. So 1 meter, even more. Yeah. So that's what we're looking for. So now let's try how HR. Yep. So that's everything. Let's create maybe just a mass. Okay. So and I'll do a spline. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and create a form. Maybe like this. Okay, so now let's Make it, is it too big? No, that's okay. 20. Then change this to rhomboid. Yeah, rhomboid. Yeah, maybe 30. Yeah, and let's load this into here and select this. Change this to family 1. Looks like the direction is wrong. No, that's okay. We don't need to model it again. Just need to select this one and change the maybe change it to by 180 degree. Okay, so I think that's it. So let's have a test. So let me think. Where's my parameter? Where's my parameter? It's not here. It's not here. So tab select one of them. Oh, it's here. So I'll select all, and actually I'm just going to create a new parameter. I'll call it a angle, or not radius, and type in this instance. That's fine. And okay, so go to family type. So now we can just change this to, let's have a look. So 1 meter radius, 2 meter radius. So it should flat a little bit. Yeah. 3 meter. $5 meter. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah. So actually, I'm going to edit this family, and let's create a frame. Okay. I'll place 1 point, draw on face, and place it on this reference line, and I'm going to just do a circle. Draw on work plane, set work plane, pick this work plane, maybe 50, and make it reference line. Select all the frame, or maybe I don't need all the frame. Maybe I only need 2 of them. Yeah, maybe I need 2 of them, and create form. And let's load this into the project, or not, into the mass. So this time we will also have a framing behind, so looks I think it look better. Can you see the frame? Yeah, good. So and then let's try the parameter again. So 3 meter, because this time there's a frame behind you can tell. So that's something. It's like yeah. Go up and still there's some framing behind. Yeah, I think that's it. So what do you think? And also you notice that there's a line there. Actually, this is a very perfect curve, and if you uncheck the show edge, you will see this is perfect. Oops, sorry, what did I do? It's a perfect curve, and if you render, you won't see any line between. But yeah, if it's on the hidden line or shade with the edge, you will see that this line. So okay, so that's it. I'll upload this family so you can have a look if you're interested. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.